Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the product Empties along with their mini reviews. So these are all the products that I'm going to talk about today. There are some skin products, some hair products, some body products, and these are all the products that I've been able to use up and not like some of them simply because I didn't like them so much. And all these products, like every single thing has been bought by me, so you can definitely expect a very honest review. There are a lot of them, so I'll try and be as quick as possible, but at the same time I'll try and give you every possible information. So without wasting a single moment, let me quickly take you to the product. First of all, I'll start with the skincare products, and the first thing that I have here is the Minimalist Salicylic Acid 2%. I've done a complete review on this product already, so definitely check that out. I have almost exhausted this bottle. This is my first bottle. This really works well on your whiteheads, on your mild breakouts, but may not really be the best thing for your blackheads, so which was also my concern. Might not really work for everybody. It is also a very slow process, so if you don't have the patience for it, then this might not be the product for you. For now, since I'm using other exfoliants, I'm not going to really repurchase this one. The second product that I have here is the Minimalist Niacinamide 10% plus zinc serum. Again, I've done an entire video on this product. You can definitely check that out. I have exhausted the entire bottle. I love this product. This works so well for oily, acne-prone skin type people, and it also is amazing product for strengthening your skin barrier. So I'm definitely going to repurchase this one. The third product is the Ilana Organics Brightening Skin Serum with papaya and lemon. This is basically a vitamin C serum. The brand claims this to be non-greasy, and they claim that it helps you get rid of your dark circles, your dark spots, or any sort of pigmentation, which it does none of it. Like none of it. This is very heavy, this is very greasy, and this does not get absorbed by your skin at all. Apparently, this is also the best seller of the brand. I don't know how, because it just didn't work for me. I just thought it's a sheer waste of money, so I'm not going to repurchase this one for sure. Next product is Dr. Seth's Amla VC20 Vitamin C Serum. Can I please declare this to be the best vitamin C serum to come out of an Indian brand? I love this product. This is really the best vitamin C serum that I have used till now, at least from an Indian brand. In literally 2 days, my skin just brightened up, and how? This really works to even out your skin. It works on your dark spots, your pigmentation. This smoothens your skin, and this just brightens your skin. And how? I've already ordered my next bottle, and I'm going to keep repurchasing this one. Next product is Lotus Herbals Clay White Black Clay Skin Whitening Face Pack. This is for all skin types. If you are looking for a clay mask that can literally rip off all the impurities from your skin and brighten up your skin instantly, this is the one. It is very reasonable, and it is so good for the people with oily, acne-prone skin type. So yes to repurchase. The next product that I have is my favorite. If you guys have been following me for a while, you already know it. I'm talking about the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. I've done an entire video on this product, so definitely check that out. If you are looking for a face mask, like a sleeping mask that will make you wake up like a diva, this is the one. Go for it. Definitely go for it. It is slightly expensive, but I'm definitely going to repurchase. Product is Requil Under Eye Cream. I've almost exhausted this tube. There is still some product left here, which I'm going to definitely finish off. I love this under eye cream. It has worked so well on my puffiness and my under eye bags. I think also because of the other actives that I'm using along with it, like vitamin C and retinol, but overall it really works well. So you can definitely repurchase. I mean, I'm going to repurchase this one. If you're looking for a good under eye cream, go for it. Next product, by the look of it you have understood how much I love it. This is the Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. I've done an entire video on this one. You can definitely check that out. It's a great moisturizer, works so well on your skin. It strengthens your skin's barrier like no other. So this is definitely a repurchase for me. Actually, I've already ordered a new one. It must be on its way. Next product that I'm going to talk about is again from Requil. I love Requil. I love this brand. All their products are so great. They just work so well on your skin, like at least my skin. And I love Requil, you know that. Okay, so the next product, like I said, is Requil Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. I just did a video on this product, so you can check that out. There is still some product left here, which I'm definitely going to finish off. And again, I've already ordered a new tube for this one. This is just a very great sunscreen for throughout the seasons, especially for summers. And if you have oily, acne prone skin type, this is a winner sunscreen. The most important thing is that it is greatly priced. You know, for a sunscreen like this, the price is superb. So definite repurchase. Next product is again a sunscreen. This is the VLCC Natural Sciences Matte Look Deep Pigmentation Sunscreen Gel Creme. This is SPF 33 plus. This is a tinted sunscreen, and somehow I've not really been able to find my way with the tinted sunscreens. I just find them too dry and too tacky somehow. So I stopped using this for the very reason, and I'm not going to repurchase this one. Emollient, my favorite moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. You'll always find this in my vanity. Always, you know, no matter what, I just keep buying this one. This is such a great moisturizer that maintains the natural moisture of your skin, and this suits best for dry skin type people. I mostly use this in winters, but even, you know, oily skin type people can use it. You just have to use a lesser amount of it and you're good to go. I am always going to repurchase this one. There is so much left on this tube, but I thought that let me just speak about it because I don't know when will I really get a chance to talk about it. So yeah, like a definite repurchase. Last product on skincare is this one. This is Nivea Original Care. This is a perfect moisturizer or a balm for your lips. I love the fact that it is original and not tinted. It smells very, very mild, and I keep applying this throughout the day. Also, I use this as a primer whenever I'm doing my makeup and I have to apply my lipstick, so that my lipstick, you know, stays for a longer duration, and also my lips does not feel dry. So this is definite repurchase for me. Next product, actually now we are talking about the body products. I have two. So the first one is this one, the VLCC Detan White Glow Moisturizing Body Lotion SPF 30 PA3 plus. You guys must be thinking, why am I looking at the back and you know, talking, because it has a sticker here and I can't see anything. So anyway, this is a great body sunscreen. Okay, you should always apply moisturizer on your body and also apply sunscreen. Okay, you cannot be careless about it at all. I've been doing it for many years now. I can't even remember. Also, because our body is slightly drier than our face, at least mine is. So I always want a very moisturizing, you know, body cream that also has sun protection factor. I've always struggled with that. This is a rare find, I must say. So yeah, I love this, you know, body sunscreen. This is greatly priced. So I'm definitely going to repurchase this one again and again and again. The next product is this. This is the Yardley London English Blossom Deodorant Roll-On. This is antiperspirant and it also is alcohol free. This is a perfect find again for a person like me because I'm allergic to scents. I start sneezing, I get headaches, I feel very claustrophobic when there is a lot of perfume. You know what I mean? So I can't really apply so much perfume, but at the same time I cannot stand body odor. I need to feel fresh, I need to smell nice. So this one is perfect. Why? Because it is perfectly scented. You know, it is not too strong that can really give you headache, or this is not too mild to just fade away in minutes. You know, it stays throughout the day. This mild beautiful fragrance, it just stays throughout the day. Trust me when I say that. Also, this is not very heavy and this does not make you feel you know, tacky in a sense that as if something is there, and it makes you, you know, some of the roll-ons really make your armpit feel very heavy and also make them white. There is this tacky powderish white thingy there, if you know what I mean. This does not do that. This is so light, so mildly fragranced. So I love this. This is definitely a repurchase. I've already purchased another one. Okay, now coming to the hair products. The first one that I have here is the Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. I have the same equation with dry shampoos that I have with tinted sunscreens. In a way, I have not been able to really find my way around with dry shampoo also. Apparently, a lot of YouTubers were raving about it, you know, people loved it, so I thought let me also try it. I just didn't like it. It makes my hair all the more oily, white, if you know what I mean, and it makes my hair all flat. So I just didn't like this product. There's more than half remaining and I'm not going to use it. It is also expensive and I just feel that it's a waste of money. I'd rather shampoo my hair than applying this one. So the next product, rather products that I'm going to talk about is L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens detangling conditioner and shampoo. I bought the shampoo and the conditioner together. I discarded the shampoo bottle because I used it up entirely and I've used up the conditioner. Anyway, this shampoo and conditioner, they claim to work on your hair breakage, hair fall, and also work on the split ends and detangle your hair, so that you can have like a nice long hair. This definitely does detangle your hair, both the shampoo and the conditioner, but I can't really say much about the hair breakage part or the hair fall part or the split ends part for that matter, because this is just any other random nourishing shampoo and conditioner, nothing fancy, nothing startling again, so I'm not going to repurchase. Last product that I'm going to talk about today, there were a lot of products, so this one definitely is the last one, is this. Can you see? Used up entirely. Okay, this is Kottakkal Ayurveda Nili Pringadi Kerala Tailam. This is an oil from down south. I bought this after I saw Vasudha Rai recommend it on her Instagram account. She is my favorite beauty influencer, and whatever comes from her, I just think they all are so honest, and so genuine products with her honest opinions. So I just thought let me also try it. This hair oil claims hair boosting your hair growth, and this also claims to work on your gray hair, as if turning it into black or growing more baby hair. So I bought it because I have a few strands of gray hair here and there, so I just thought that let me try and use it. So far so good, I think. I definitely feel my hair fall has decreased. I am well over half my second bottle now. This was my first bottle and I've almost finished my second bottle. And I think with the products like these, you need a lot of patience because they take a lot of time. So I am definitely committing to this one for at least 3 to 6 months, because they say if you use it consistently is only when you can really see the result. So I'm definitely going to do that. So you can buy it from any Arya Vaidya Sala, which is there throughout India. You can also get it from Amazon. You just have to pay extra delivery fee, which is again very nominal. So you can definitely try this one. I got it from Amazon, and this smells like an Ayurveda factory on its own. Smells very bad, you know. So but you know, since I've already gotten through almost 2 bottles, now I'm used to it. So you may think smells bad in the beginning, but you'll get to it. So I'm definitely going to repurchase this one, and once I see like a good result and once I'm done using it for at least 3 to 6 months, I would definitely like to do a complete video about this product. So wait for it. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was a slightly longish video, but I do hope you guys were able to find some insight to the product that I spoke about today. I really hope it was helpful. So if you think it was, let me know in the comment section, and definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to each one of you.